When it comes to fashion, what you wear underneath matters. So we are going to talk about pads. What? Why are we going to talk about a subject like that? Because how much do you really know about it? You would think every girl would be an expert on that subject, but nay to that. And for the guys who are watching this, keep on watching. These information will come in handy one day. Because fashion has three sides. The wrong, the right, and this is the left side of fashion. Bunny here. And today, let's talk about pads, baby. Let's talk about pads, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Yes, pads, formerly known as sanitary napkins. The fourth most popular accessories for ladies after bags, shoes, and the look of being mildly detained. When the disposable pads first invented, the choice was easy, because there's only one. Wood pulp with absorbent liners, partially thanks to Benjamin Franklin. Yes! Benjamin Franklin. The idea grew from one of his inventions created to stop wounded soldiers from bleeding. Then the pads start to have different sizes, shapes, and one of my favorite features, the wings. Not that wings, these wings. Sticky extension tabs on the side of the pads that hugs onto your panties so that sucker stays in place. The product description back then was easier to understand. You have the panty liner for the light days, the overnighter for the heavier days, extra slots for hidden pocket, all very informative as to what it is and what it does. But these days, over-marketing, make it very difficult for us to know what we need with all the fancy packagings, wording, and the product don't always live up to the hype. For wings, you have wide wings, stretchy wings, double wings, the wings that should stick but doesn't. The wings are so sticky, it rips a hole out of your favorite panties when you're trying to yank that off. Not from actual experience. For thickness, you have thin, extra thin, ultra thin, then heavyweight, super weight, mega weight, and superior weight protection. And for functionalities, you have sports version, oxygen flow, movement enhanced, heavy machinery abled, crime fighting abilities. For length and shapes, you have everything from just enough to cover it to wrap around the body twice. Holy shit. I was standing in the feminine aisles for days trying to figure out, do I really need that much stretch? What does oxidation really mean? Should I just get two of everything? Just when you think, okay, I figured out all the functionality I wanted. You're not done yet. It's also very important to look at how is it made and what is it made from. You're gonna be using it for 40 years. A few seconds longer to read the label, it's worth it for something that will be protecting and touching your sensitive area. Look for the one with least amount of chemicals. So little to no bleaching, organic cotton preferred, and I will also stay away from anything that's scented or colored to avoid more chemicals. That goes double for tampons, something that will be literally inside of you. How is that a joke? No. Really, to find the perfect sanitary brand or brands, you will just have to try it out. If you can't afford it, don't stock up on the year supply family size pack from Costco. Be good to yourself and find what fits you. The balance between quality and functionality. We all shape different. It is not one size fits all. My go-to is the menstrual cup. It's a soft silicone cup you insert to collect instead of absorb. It is reusable, comfortable, and easy to clean. Reusable pads is also very good as an alternative if you're bothered by all the stuff you have to throw away every month. Look it up and see what fits you. Special shout out to the fashion brand ASOS. They made reusable pads with off-cut fabric from the production line and gave it to women in need in Kenya. That is hashtag EcoAF. Last, I would like to tip my hat to the dudes who made it through this whole video. Congratulations. Additional stuff around this topic: non-applicator tampons, pad subscription service, period panties, and Bluetooth tampons. It's actually a thing. Well, I'm putting all the links in my YouTube description. Please subscribe to my channel so I can update you on all the pressing issues in fashion that matter most to me. We will have to talk about all that sound effects